Hi, my name is Peťuš and together with Visit It, I want to show you a couple of places in Bratislava where you can get really good vegetarian and vegan food. Let's go! The first restaurant we decided to take you to is called Specklight, and it has 5 restaurants in Bratislava altogether. This one is located in the Mytná ulica in the Blumenthal offices. Let's go! They prepare everything from fresh materials and season everything with herbs and spices without artificial additives. They believe that the human body has self-healing abilities. To correctly work though, it needs healthy food, sufficient amount of movement, relax, and of course, love. So regarding the healthy food, what I decided to get today is tomato tofu with olives and basil, butter beans in some kind of sauce, salad, and rice. In Specklight, they also have dessert, and today they had the gluten-free chestnut cake with chocolate. Yum. The second place we decided to take you to is called Fudo, and it's a modern, minimalistic and urban-style bistro in Bratislava. It's located on 2 spots, and this one is on Kamenné námestie or Kamenné Square. Fudo's philosophy is based on providing healthy, quality food for a reasonable price. And I got a little of everything, so let's see how it tastes. The last stop for today is called Foodstock, and it's only a walking distance from Fudo, where we were before. Foodstock combines Asian and vegetarian or vegan cuisine. So let's have some of their delicious gyoza. Last but not least, we decided to visit the 3rd annual Vegan Food Festival here in Bratislava, which is located directly in Stará Tržnica, the old market. The entry is free and you can find many local vegetarian and vegan cuisine all in one place. So let's see what they have for us. What I love about food festivals the most is the fact that you can always discover new restaurants, like the one I found today. So let's try these Thai noodles. Delicious. So these were our tips for good vegan food you can find in Bratislava. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Bye!